What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm starting it very late. It's 8 o'clock right now, but we're gonna go out to dinner, roam the streets a little bit, you know, do the usual walk around. I'll film what I can, I'll vlog what I can, but there's supposed to be some fireworks for 4th of July, even though it's only the 30th right now, but there's supposed to be some fireworks since it's Saturday, and I'm gonna vlog those, so let's get it started. First stop of the night, pizza. Taste test. Okay, too hot. Just finished pizza. It was actually pretty good. Still a little hungry though. It was a little too light, but
Slice of Vegas. Floating Aquafina bottle.
now we're gonna hop on the tram and head down to Caesars to see some fireworks. Let's get it. Spent a little here, secured the bag. Now we're gonna continue the day.
Versace, Scooch.
Everybody knows Gatorade in this bottle tastes better. You know it. You know it. Well, finally made it back. Now it's time to head up to the room.
Do some editing.
Edit a little bit, you know, the usual right now. Guys, we just made it back to the hotel. That's about gonna end the vlog. I mean, I thought we got some good shots. I thought it was gonna be more low key, but we actually ended up doing some stuff, getting some shirts, going shopping, checking shoes out. And I vlogged what I could, like I said. I mean, one second. Like I said, I got some shirts, so this is the first one. It's a nice little Oakley piece. These are little stars. These are, okay, you can't see it. But on the back it says Oakley. Pretty lit. And then this one, nothing on the back, but it has a nice Oakley camo. If you look real close, it's kind of a dope camo print, but this is the shirt I copped yesterday. Ooh, it's my favorite shirt right now, even out of those. We got the back. It says the Goddess of Victory. You already know we only take these dubs now. So I thought this was a decent vlog. Let me know if, would you get out of here? But yeah, guys, I thought that was a decent vlog. Let me know down below. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button. If you didn't, make sure to hit the dislike button. You guys already know what to do. You guys already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Road to 300K. We're at 288 right now, so almost there. But I will see you guys in the next video. We Aka.